Hey, and that is our Honda Jackery, private labeled. Inverter, is that what we call it? Or what, a charger? Inverter, charger.
It's like our solar charger thingy. Do these both go in here? Oh, look, the green light came on. Something knows it was charging.
Oops.
Because the green light, look, the green light's on. I don't know if you can
can't see. You have to show it to me.
Look, because of when we'd opened it, you can see a green light right there.
Where?
Right here.
Oh, cool. All right, and that's the plug.
Yeah, if I can just figure out how this goes in. Wait, I think I found it. I found it. And we'll probably try and go red to red, black to black.
No, I think it's reverse. Or maybe not. I don't know.
Okay.
We'll find out, won't we?
Yes.
And then where does it get plugged into here?
If you just bring that to the end of the bench, what I'm going to do, set these guys up.
See, it has the plugs, the USB.
We're in the shade right now.
Yeah, but we should put it over there, babe, in front.
Okay.
Where the sun is.
Well,
it's over here. Over there. It's not in the sun. That's the sun.
Yeah, I get that. Oh, in fact, hold on, take this out. It looks like, just for purposes of demonstrations at least.
But you need to face it that way.
I'm working on that.
Okay. Does it fit on the orange table? Because it looks good. Orange tablecloth. Can you show us where you plug that in?
I plugged it in right here, and we're currently pulling in 22 watts. So it can recharge the battery.
And
but we're not in full sun.
How long will that take?
Forever.
But I think if you turn it this way. There you go. There we go.
And we're at 27 watts we're pulling in. So, I mean, it's a
cloudy day.
Cloudy day. We're getting about a third of the power that it's capable of. Not too shabby. But it's really going to let us go off grid. And if you come over here, you can see it has little USB outputs so that even if we don't plug into that, we could just put this out and charge up our phones.
And it matches. I like that the
and
best.
It matches. Jackery, people. Jackery.
Jackery. Jackery.